So you're looking for a way to help users understand the amazing product that you've built? Then you're in the right place. Chameleon is the deepest product adoption platform, and our goal is to enable your users to find the aha moments inside your product at the right time and in a way that's contextual, convenient, and clear at all stages of their journey. We do this by empowering your team to create and manage dynamic in-product experiences without any coding. We help teams win their goals by improving user onboarding and activation, product-led growth, feature engagement and adoption, product marketing, self-serve support, and creating a customer feedback loop with microsurveys. Implementing Chameleon into your app is quick and easy. All you need to do is add a JavaScript code snippet to your HTML and add a user tracking component. So Chameleon can start receiving a unique ID for every user that visits your page, and voila. Now you can show the right experience to the right user at the right time. You can enrich this process by sending in more data to Chameleon. For instance, the user's role, their lifetime value, subscription plan, all of that via an API call or integration with other tools like Salesforce, FreshPaint, or Segment. This also allows you to see user activity within Chameleon. For example, whether they started a tour, clicked a button, etc. Chameleon has products that help your product and brand shine every step of a user's journey. With tours, you can build a multi-step feature walkthrough, onboarding flows, but you can also build a single-step tour to function as a banner or modal to announce new features or to highlight key action steps on a page. Tooltips offer added bits of information to provide users with more insight about your product. For example, you can create a tooltip to educate users on your product's key terms by using a hover or click action. Launchers offer flexible menus to guide and offer self-serve support through resources, checklists, and help articles. You can use launchers to guide new and mature users with different options. Then we have our microsurveys, which allow you to launch different types of surveys, including NPS, rating surveys, general input, multiple choice, to gather valuable feedback from your users that you can use to create better experiences and improve your product. We see about a 50 to 60% completion rate for our microsurveys, so this is an amazing way to get quantitative feedback at scale. Now, I know you're ready to see Chameleon in action, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into the dashboard. Our dashboard allows you to fully create, configure, and get insights into all of your Chameleon experiences. You can connect your most effective tools to send data to and from Chameleon. This will empower Chameleon to work even better. For example, connecting your full story or amplitude accounts to more deeply target and analyze how users are interacting and responding to your experiences. You can also set a global experience style to make sure all of your experiences are on brand, or simply set styling for each type of experience. For example, I want all of my microsurveys to look and feel like this. You only need to set this once, and then you can rest assured all experiences will be on brand. Creating these experiences is truly a breeze with the intuitive builder. Here, I have a very simple announcement tour prepped for my users. This would be great to announce a new feature or an exciting product update. To build yours, simply select it from the dashboard's left-hand side menu and click the Create a Tour button. You always have your templates to choose from for later use, like for webinar announcements, or you can start from scratch and get creative. With each experience, you will use the point-and-click selector when you want to anchor it to an element, or set specific user actions that involve elements in your page. You can see that Chameleon automatically reads the different elements, and you can click on any of them to select it. You can also adjust it further to make sure it displays correctly. You can customize every aspect of the experience. Let's look at the design. You can adjust the position, display conditions to the body, title, canvas. You can add media elements and delight animations to engage your users even more. You can modify how it appears on the page. Is there an on-page trigger that has to occur? Does it slide into the page? All can be adjusted in the Display Rules section. Finally, you can control how your users interact with it. For example, the button can lead a user to the next step, to learn more, snooze for later, or even link to other Chameleon experiences or to your Calendly schedule if they need more assistance. While in Chameleon, you can use the help bar to switch between experiences, find help, inspiration, or specific configurations. In my case, it's an article to help me add a dismiss option so my users can snooze this tour for a later time. Don't worry about adjusting to different screen sizes. We have that handled. And with auto adjusting, you can ensure your experiences show as you intend them to, regardless of where the user is viewing from. Finally, when you have everything set as you would like to, you can go back to the dashboard to choose who sees this experience with segments. This is a powerful way to ensure your experiences are shown directly to the right people, and it can be used to perform A/B testing for even better results if you want to. Pick a group of domains you want this experience to show up in, for example, staging or production, and then schedule for a time that works for you and your users. With rate limiting, you can set a maximum frequency to the number of experiences that are shown in a period of time to make sure they're happy to see your guidance, not overwhelmed. You can prevent any possible holes in your experience with alerts that can go directly to your Slack channel or email to alert you if something is not working as you want it to. And there you have it. Your Chameleon experience is live and ready to help your users discover all of the benefits your product has to offer. If you want to go ahead and get started yourself, you can check out our sandbox environment where you can get a sense of Chameleon firsthand without any installation needed. You can also check out our pricing page, Help Center, blog, and Video Hub to learn more about successful product adoption practices. I hope this has been helpful. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, or share even if you have a suggestion for how we can blend better. And thank yourself for taking this step. We know your users will.